how to use speech to text in Google Docs. It's pretty simple and quick to learn. If you just follow the steps, I'll show you guys in this video. Open up Google Docs in your device. Just like that, I have opened a plain document right here. Now, in order to use a speech to text feature, first of all, go to this little icon right here. And from here, make sure your microphone is enabled. Enable your microphone if it's not enabled. And after that, what you will do is you will press Ctrl Shift and S. Just like that, it will enable the voice typing speech to text feature right here. Now, a lot of people don't know how to properly narrate and dictate using voice typing in Google Docs. In order to start with this, we'll need to go and check out some of the commands that you can use with speech to text feature. You can head over to ChatGPT or any other AI, and you can ask that AI to give you all the voice typing commands, and you will find these different commands, period, comma, question mark, some of the basic commands to start voice typing with Google Docs, and formatting commands. So you can go and check out these commands. Using these commands, it will really help you to start with the speech to text feature. And let me just tell you how it works. Let me just click on this. Select Introduction. So as you can see, I just said select Introduction and it selected Introduction. I can also say Apply Heading 1. See, just like that, it applies the Heading 1 to Introduction. So using these commands, you can start with speech to text feature in Google Docs. I hope you found this really helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to the channel.